Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode I'm going to teach you how to set default section to your Word document and how to use page break. So for this purpose we are going to need some section properties. So we are going to create one. I'm going to name it secprop. So what I've done, I have imported this officer library. If you don't have this library installed, go into your R terminal and type install packages officer. Then create one blank document, and at the end I am going to print all of this out into a new Word docx document. So now we are going to create section properties with function. And I'm going to provide page size also with function, and let's say width is going to be equals to 6 inches, height it's going to be let's say 12, and orientation is going to be portrait. Now type is going to be so for this case if we type continuous or if we use a new page, you are going to have exactly the same result because we have only one section per page. And I'm going to set page margins. Let's see, bottom 1.5, then top 1.5, left and now I'm going to add some text to this page. With function body add pair, we are going to provide document as first argument, and now I'm going to use function paste in order to create some huge chunk of text. So we are going to do that with function repeat. We are going to provide hey, and we are going to repeat it 500 times, and then all of that are going to be separated by blank space. And then we are going to provide style, let's say normal. And now I'm going to show you how actually to set that default section properties. Simple function, body set default section, and of course first argument is going to be document, and value it's going to be these section properties. And if we run this code, okay, probably have some typo. Yeah, it's secprop. Everything is fine now. Let me see what we have. Yes, we have our section, and our section is continuous. So whenever we fill our section, we are going to start next page. But what if you would like to have like 2000 hays on one page and for example 2000 highs on other page? How to do that? We are going to use this same section properties. So this line is going to remain the same, and now I'm going to change from 500 to 200. Now I'm going to add page break. With function body add break. First argument is going to be document, of course. Now I'm going to copy this piece of code. And let's say that we would like to have 200 highs on another page. If we run this code, everything is fine again. Let me check this document, what we have. So we have hays and highs, you see? And here we have our page break. So this will be all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya!